So I've got this controller, I've tested it, and I'll put a screenshot of the test. But this button doesn't work, this one doesn't work, and so I was going to take it to bits, and I thought we'll do it together. So we'll take it to bits, see what the problem is. So yeah, I thought I would see what the problem is. I haven't had this to bits before, but I got it off eBay, I think. It didn't say it was broken, but they never do they? That'll be a quick, simple video of fixing something. Or trying to fix something. This controller is a Power A controller for the 360. Obviously aftermarket. We'll prise it open. See what we've got. So we've prized it open, look. There's a little button here that goes on there. We'll put that back on in a minute. So this button doesn't work. Oh, it's this one, isn't it? This button doesn't work. It looks like the little tab things come disconnected. I don't know if you can see that. If we put that tab thing back on, don't know how that's come off, but so that's back on there now, which was this one here, which now should work. Tempted to take the board off and just give it a quick clean while I've got it in bits. So what we've got. I'll take the screw out. We'll leave that on there because that's the next one to go back in. Looks fairly clean, to be fair. Looks fairly clean. Shall we get a bit of air in there? Get a bit of air in there. Put that back on there. Put that back on there. Put them back on there. We did them a bit of a clean while they're off actually. Give them a bit of a clean while they're off. This is just soapy water. It's very liquid and water in a spray bottle. Nothing fancy. So it's all nice and clean now. And this one, we'll give this one a bit of a clean as well while it's not on it. Get all that grime out the side of it. So we'll put them back on. Put that one back on there. And we'll put that back in there. Oh, it's all fell to bits. When does that go back on there? One minute guys, I'm going to have to watch the footage back to find out how that went on there. Back in a moment. So I put that little black thing back on after I watched the footage back. Put this board back in. That's the board back in. Let's put the screw back in. Kept this one separate because it's off a different part of the controller. All the rest of the screws are the same. So I kept this one separately to make it easier. Not that I can put it in anyway. And we'll put this back on, this back in. I'll screw for that out. On that way around, maybe. Yeah, go that way around. And then on these, you go. The triggers kind of sit inside the controller. Actually, shall we clean the edges up while we've got it in bits? It's possibly a good idea. Again, just washing up liquid and water, nothing special. Go around the edges. I've got it inside, but it should dry up. We'll put that where it's meant to be. Something's not quite right there. I think it's this bit here. It's all back together, and we'll screw it all together. And we'll retest it. And that is an Xbox 360, a Power A controller. I'll retest it and I will insert the test results. And don't forget to subscribe and comment and all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next one.